7 at 7 story list starts tonight as we hear from family of the woman who died in police custody. Now, we showed you body cam video last night.
I shattered my ankle and I had a stroke.
Well, if the medical professionals have saw you and discharged you,
they won't.
I got nothing to do with that then, but you got to get going.
I can't even get down there.
That's Lisa Edwards speaking with a Knoxville police officer called to Fort Sanders Medical Center after Edwards refused to leave the emergency room. It was the second hospital she had visited and the second hospital to discharge her. When Edwards would not leave the Fort Sanders property, she was put in the back of a police cruiser where she passed out. Edwards later died back at the hospital with an autopsy blaming natural causes. DA Sharm Allen says criminal charges will not be filed. KPD is conducting, though, its own internal investigation. Now, Edwards' daughter-in-law, August Boylan, tells us this afternoon that she watched the body cam video with the DA before it was released, saying it left her sick to her stomach. And while Boylan is a nurse, she says you don't have to be a medical professional to know the signs of a stroke.
And you can see that in her, start to finish. Her speech is completely changes from start to finish. And, she's struggling to breathe. That is not somebody working themselves up, like they said in there. That is not somebody faking it. She said it herself that she was dying, that she was having a stroke.
Today, Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center released a statement on Edwards' death. It reads, quote, "The hospital has been in contact with Miss Edwards' family and expressed our sorrow soon after their loss." Going on to write, although we cannot comment on specific details, patients are not discharged from the emergency room unless they are stable, end quote. Also, the hospital tells us, quote, "We have just seen the Knoxville Police Department's body cam footage and are continuing our investigation." Edwards' case prompted us to look into the next big 7 at 7 story for you tonight. We wanted to know about patients' rights, legal options to advocate for yourself at the hospital or doctor's office. We turn to Marcos Garza, the owner of Garza Law Firm, for answers about patient rights. His office gets calls regularly about patients being rejected despite their symptoms. Garza notes that medicine is not a perfect science. The first option, he says, is to request different care. The second, ask for a second opinion. As for medical malpractice, that can include doctor, hospital, and prescription errors, failure to diagnose a disease, or birth injuries. Whatever the case may be, to prove it has happened, the key is something called standard of care.
Medical malpractice is whenever either a doctor or some kind of healthcare provider falls below what they call the standard of care. And what that means is, what would a reasonable doctor or perhaps a reasonable nurse or other treatment provider do under the same circumstances for that location or in that locale under these circumstances?
Garza added that if you do have concerns regarding your health care and treatment options and you want legal advice, the best course of action is to call an attorney as soon as possible to start the process. Our next Big 7 story for you, the end of that Amber Alert that we brought you yesterday. The 16-year-old girl at the center of it, Holly Piper, she is safe. Tennessee's Bureau of Investigation says Piper was found overnight in Mississippi. Now, the 18-year-old that investigators thought she might have left with, he's now in custody. TBI agents telling us Dylan Ussery had been out of jail on bond after being involved in a police chase in Oak Ridge last year. The Amber Alert was issued for Holly after Knoxville police said it was possible that she could have been coerced into leaving town against her will. Our Big 7 list rolls on with another big drug bust, plus more arrests from the team out to cut the drug pipeline between Knoxville and Detroit. The TBI showing off some of these pictures you see behind me. Agents say those are bags of meth and fentanyl. That fentanyl discovery, reportedly more than 2 pounds of the drug. The raid happening Thursday at a home on Willoughby Road in Knoxville. Agents saying they also found cocaine, marijuana, cash, and a gun. TBI agents say 5 people were arrested: Ricardo Briggs, Sylvester Neal, Paul Briggs, Eric Bradford, and Kenneth Briggs. We're told they are all from Detroit, all facing felony charges, and all are now in the Knox County Jail. For weeks, we've been following the efforts of what's dubbed the 313 Initiative. 313 is for the Detroit area code, with law enforcement agencies teaming up to dismantle the network of alleged drug runners bringing fentanyl and other drugs into the area, with the drug trade blamed for much of the violent crime around Knoxville. It's only been one day since the TBI's last reveal in this effort, showing more drugs and a rifle found in a raid that brought 4 arrests. Of course, we'll keep following the effort as the 313 initiative continues. Another avenue for working against the drug trade in our area, charging alleged dealers in connection with overdose deaths linked to their sales. Today we learned about a McMinn County man indicted after a TBI investigation into a drug death from 2020. 47-year-old Jamie Massey was found unresponsive at a home in Athens and taken to the hospital where he later died. An autopsy found meth in his system. TBI agents say they think William Roberts was responsible for delivering the drugs that caused Massey's death. He's now facing a charge of second-degree murder plus 1 count of sale or delivery of meth. Roberts was arrested yesterday, held on $70,000 bond. Those reminders of the drug problem our area faces leading to the next Big 7 story for you. County governments are getting money for their efforts against the opioid epidemic. It's coming from settlements and lawsuits against drug makers. Knox County's take about $2.5 million. Anderson County getting around $425,000, $645,000 for Blunt, nearly $245,000 in Loudoun, and $495,000 in Sevier County. All 95 counties around Tennessee get a share, with the state starting to process direct payments from a trust fund. Now, it aims to help communities pay for treatment and prevention programs. Smaller payments will keep coming each year for 18 years, with the state in line to get at least $265 million in other settlements paying into that fund. Tennessee District Attorney Jonathan Skrmetti saying in a news release that no amount of money will completely heal broken communities, and his office will not let up on holding opioid manufacturers and distributors accountable. Next in our Big 7 list, University of Tennessee administrators grapple with growth. You know, we saw the master plan a couple of weeks ago at the executive board meeting on UT's campus outlining what expansion would look like. Just last night, that master plan for UT Knoxville was approved. Chancellor Dondi Plowman excited for the continued growth, saying that good things are happening in the state of Tennessee.
So what you see there is just huge demand, and a lot of it came in 1 year, but it's been growing steeply since 2019. So it's just like businesses want to come to Tennessee, students want to come to Tennessee. I talk to students' families all the time and say, I want to move to Tennessee.
Some of that growth Plowman talked about can be attributed to the school's retention numbers. Those numbers are right around 90%. This year, Tennessee's enrollment is at 33,800. Our last Big 7 story for you, breaking really in the past 2 hours. UT baseball coach Tony Vitello suspended for this weekend series. The suspension apparently has to do with a violation in the program. That's how UT's statement phrases it, going on to say Coach Vitello acknowledged his mistake and accepted full responsibility. UT says NCAA rules prevent giving out further details, but plans to give an update on Monday. In the meantime, Josh Elander will serve as acting head coach. The Vols hosting Dayton for a 3-game series this weekend.